In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to successfully integrate Landmark Global with your Shopify store. Beginning this process involves setting up Landmark Global as a fulfillment service within your Shopify settings. To do this, first navigate to the main console of your Shopify admin. From there, explore the settings, more specifically, the area related to locations. Here, you will have the opportunity to add and set up Landmark Global as your fulfillment service. Should you encounter difficulty locating this exact setting under the Location tab, don't worry, there are alternatives. You could potentially find this option under the Shipping and Delivery settings. Another way to accomplish this same task is through the installation of an app like Extensive. Regardless of the path you choose, the ultimate goal is to successfully assign Landmark Global as your primary fulfillment service. Once this is accomplished, the next phase of our operation involves product assignment. While still within the Shopify admin, your task is to go to every product variant and assign it for fulfillment at the Landmark location. Doing this ensures that product delivery goes through the newly set up Landmark fulfillment service. The third step is to ensure precision in product identification. This boils down to making sure that the stock keeping unit, commonly known as the SKU, of each product variant matches perfectly in both the Shopify and the Landmark systems. It is important to note that this integration process is highly sensitive to case distinctions, hence the need for absolute accuracy in SKU case matching. Finally, the last major step in the process focuses on inventory management. You need to change the inventory policy for each product variant in your Shopify admin. The new policy should now reflect that the inventory is being managed by Landmark. This setting facilitates the automatic synchronization of inventory levels from the Landmark system, known as the Mercury system, straight to your Shopify store. In conclusion, integrating Landmark Global with Shopify involves setting up Landmark as a fulfillment service in Shopify, assigning each product variant to the Landmark location, precisely matching SKU numbers in both systems, and ultimately altering the inventory policy to reflect management by Landmark. By following this guide, your integration process will be smooth and efficient, and you'll be maximizing the capabilities of your Shopify store in no time.